Hello friends, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to learn how to extract unique RGB code from your multi-class segmentation mask. So here we have few masks. You can see these RGB mask, and let's assume we don't know the RGB code for these mask. Now we need to find them. So let's start with the code. So first of all, we are going to import all the libraries which we need. Okay, so these are all the libraries. Then we start with our main function. Okay, so inside this, first of all, what we need to do, we need to extract all those masks and basically their path. So for that, we're going to use this globe library. Okay, we're going to give the path and then a specific pattern that we want all the images which start with anything but end with .png. And here you can see we have all the images as png, so it would extract all the mask for us. You can see I'm going to print their length. You can see 5, and here we have 5 masks. So for now I'm using these 5 masks just as an example. Next let's have an empty set. It's going to have all the RGB code. Next we're going to loop over all the mask path. Okay, and then we're going to have a function called extract unique colors from that specific mask, and then we're going to update all the color in our set. So that's how it works. Now let us define our function. I'll explain the function. It is really simple function, 2 lines of code. So first of all, we're going to read the mask as an RGB, because you can see the mask is in RGB. It is not in grayscale, so please read it as RGB, not BGR, RGB. Just remember that. Then here we reshape this image shape. So basically the shape is height, width by number of channels. Then we reshape it because we need to find the unique RGB code. Then we say np.unique, so we get all the unique values on the axis 0. So for now this is a NumPy array. So what do? We convert each element, each individual RGB code into a tuple for easy calculation, so that we can easily perform this operation. Now we have all the RGB code, and I can print it here. Yeah. So let's wait, and I think it would work fine. Okay, here you can see. So now what can we do? We can save those masks. So let's save them. Where I've printed the number of unique code we have, and then we have saved them in a text file. Let's save the code and run it. Let's wait for a few seconds, and it's gonna work. So you can see we have 20 RGB codes, and those 20 RGB code are these. Okay, so you can see we have extracted different RGB codes easily, and this code would help you during your multi-class segmentation, because initially I also have faced this problem. I thought you might have also faced it. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.